Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the 1More Piston Buds Pro. Last year I tried out the Piston Buds, and I was excited to get this pair of the Pro version. These have hybrid active noise cancellation technology. They have IPX5 water resistance or waterproofing, and they last up to 5 hours with the ANC technology on. Here's what they look like inside. That's the left Piston Bud Pro right there. It has some plastic covers on it, which I replaced to show you what it looks like when it comes out of the box like that. They have 7.5 hours with noise canceling technology turned off. You can charge it in the back with USB-C. Comes with a USB-C cable and different ear gels to fit your ears. So it's also a small compact unit. It's not wirelessly charging, but they do have the USB-C on the back. And that's the pairing button that's right there on the left. So that's pretty easy. They go back in, they're magnetic, and they stick in there pretty well. Nice closing top. Green light means it's got power to charge. And these are the 1More Piston Buds Pro. They offer hybrid active noise cancellation, and they can last up to 7.5 hours. And then the case will give you an additional 30 hours of charge. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.